So hello everyone, welcome to the CrispMetrics. So guys, in this video we are going to see a topic something known as skewness. So let's try to understand what is the meaning of skewness. So if you don't know about a Gaussian distribution, first of all try to see our previous video which was on our Gaussian distribution. So try to see over there what is the definition of skewness. It is very easy. It refers to a distortion or a asymmetric bell-shaped curve. It means remember one thing, our Gaussian distribution always looks like this, right? And it is having something known as some properties, empirical formula, and we have discussed these type of properties in our previous video. So try to see over there. There are two types of skewness. One is right skewed and one is our left skewed. So in this video we are going to see our right skewed, and without any implementing any Python code. Now if someone will try to ask you, suppose tell me we have skewness or not, and you don't have to check with alpha python, so you can check without that python as well. What you can do, let's try to take a question. Let's try to see how we can find out our data set is having Gaussian distribution or not. So this is our question over there. So remember one thing, to find this type of things we need three things: mean, median, and our mode. So if you don't know about these things, please try to see our previous videos. You will be able to understand. So first of all, remember one thing. If we have a Gaussian distribution, it always our mean will be there, right? We have discussed, and your mean, median, mode will be equal. Or you can say, if you are going to use a data sets, it not be equal, but it will not far to each other, right? It will approximately equal. Yes, but if it is not, your distribution is going to be changed. So you can see this type of things with mean, median, and mode. So let's try to find out our mean, median, and mode. So I think we have discussed how we can find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 54 plus 100 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 upon number of data sets 9. So our here mean will be around 19.6, right? Now let's try to find out what is will be our median and mode. Now for a median, we have discussed how we can do that. First of all, we have to arrange it in an increasing order. So it will be like 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 54 and 100. Now why two times we have write 2? Because in our data set we have two times, right? Now according to our second step, we have to check number of the data sets are even and odd, right? So here n we have 9 number of the data sets, and it 9 is odd, we know that, right? So try to see what is the middle element. Middle element is very simple, we have 4. So our median will be 4, and our mode, what will be our mode? Mode will be most frequent numbers, right? So how much times? Okay, the answer is very simple, 2, because 2 is going to be right. 2 is, otherwise all the elements, all the datas are not repeating over there. So 2 will be our mode. Now how to check, okay, we have this type of things or not? So try to see over there. We have new will be 19.6. It is 4. We have 2. What we can do, just try to cut this type of things. Now try to see over there how we can try to see we have skewness or not. So try to draw a plot over there, a Gaussian distribution, right? Suppose it is our, we have x-axis, right? What is 9? New is our 19.6. So it will be around this 19.6, right? And our median and mode are approximately, or no, we cannot say it is equal, but yes, it is close to each other, right? It is, suppose it is here median and mode. But to try to see over there, our mean, median, and mode should be equal for a exactly normal distribution. exact normal or Gaussian distribution. If you will try to plot this, suppose it will go something like this, right? Now try to observe over there. It is going to be extend at right direction, in this direction, right? This is something known as right skewed. It is something known as right skewed. Or you can say if your mean is going to be high than your median or mode, in that case you will get something known as right skewed. So guys, in this video we have seen what is right skewed and how you can tell with the help of mathematics. So in our next video we will try to see left skewness over there, right? So thank you so much to see. Please, if you like it, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.